We gather at the round table. The circle activates, and consciousness takes shared form. 12 positions surround the center, sustaining a living geometry. Here, a natural order is established, an alliance of perception that opens a new state of consciousness. The archetypes of being arrange themselves to recalibrate the origin of the philosopher's stone, the one that aligns mind, heart, and action to manifest heaven on earth. At the center of the circle, Excalibur defines the axis and marks the north. During this cycle, its form expresses itself as aluminum. This is the substance we are ordering. The 13th particle of the stone presents itself as a metal of passive resistance, ready to be observed and adjusted from the different perspectives offered by the Wheel of 12. Today we share the viewpoint of dissolution. The Throne of Pisces opens the 12th position and directs the gaze toward aluminum dissolved in oceans and rivers. From this seat, aluminum reveals itself as an ion flowing in trace concentrations between land and sea, the element that dissolves from eroded rocks and travels via rivers to oceans. What was shielded, mineralized, transmitted energy, preserved food, reflected light, refined technically, balanced in cycles, transformed through toxicity, expanded geologically, industrially constructed, and technologically innovated now finds integration with the planetary aqueous whole. Aluminum dissolved in fresh water reaches concentrations of 0.001 to 0.5 mg/L. Each ion flows from mountains to seas. Each molecule surrenders to the eternal cycle of planetary water. Aluminum inhabits the continuous flow between feldspar erosion and marine deposition, the exchange cycle between geosphere and hydrosphere, the unity with the planetary ocean from which it is never truly separate. Observed from the Throne of Pisces, the metal finds compassion for the complete cycle, mysticism of dissolution in the biogeochemical whole, and the ability to surrender to the universal aqueous flow. Protection becomes a hydrological offering. Passive defense organizes itself as a return to primordial water. Excalibur calibrates the particle when mind, emotion, and body align on a single axis of aquatic unity. A candle is lit before you as a reflection of the center. Its flame reveals the completion of dissolution and the polishing of the 12th face of the philosopher's stone. Aluminum becomes integrated. The wheel closes its conscious cycle. Today we perform this task. Mind focus. Hold a single affirmation internally throughout the practice. I am dissolving aluminum into the hydrological cycle. Allow the mind to remain receptive and surrendered at this point. Emotion, cleansing with the candle. Place a lit candle before you. Observe it in silence for at least 3 full breaths. Let the flame dissolve emotions associated with separation from the cycle, crystallization that does not flow, disruption of hydrological return, denial of dissolution. Emotion is brought into order through compassion. Action, integration in the body. Pour a glass of water. Hold the glass between your hands and say, I am unified aluminum. Repeat it 3 times consciously. Drink slowly, integrating the hydrological cycle into your body. Alchemical seal. I am the new state of consciousness. Avra Kehdabra, I create as I speak.